Students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to describe you the summary of the short story entitled My Beloved Charioteer. This story is written by Shashi Deshpande, a famous novelist and a short story writer. This story is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature Paper 2nd. Summary of the story My Beloved Charioteer. This story My Beloved Charioteer is about the women's concerns in middle class families of Indian society. In this story, Shashi Deshpande tells us about the embittered mother-daughter relationship. Here she has presented only three characters: the widowed old mother, the recently widowed daughter Aarti, and the granddaughter Preeti. She tells us about their puzzling emotions and actions of these three characters. The young granddaughter Preeti is her grandmother's beloved charioteer. As I told you, the story has only three characters: the grandmother, her daughter Aarti, and the granddaughter Preeti. The granddaughter affectionately calls her grandmother Aji. They are very close to each other, and Aarti has no place in their scheme of things. Shashi Deshpande examines the relationship between the widowed old lady and her daughter Aarti, who lost her husband Madhav recently. Aarti has a grudge against the world, for she cannot bear to see other people's lives going on in relative happiness. Death and the ways in which one mourns the dead are the central issues in this story. The ways in which the wives mourn their dead husbands in this story are entirely different. For the grandmother, the death of her husband after 25 years of married life came as a great relief. He was tyrannical in his behavior. She had to act according to his whims. He was very harsh to her. He did not allow her to shed tears for the death of their infant sons. He was cold and callous even in the bed with her. She had to make herself available as and when he wanted her, and dismissed her when he had finished with her. She spent her married life in a great terror of him. He never bothered for his wife's likes and dislikes. On the contrary, Aarti's husband Madhav was very loving and caring husband. After his death, Aarti is very deep distraught. She hates the happy couples. She is lost in memories of her happy marriage and the close relationship she shared with her father. Now she spends her life in reading and smoking, not caring for herself and not getting proper sleep. Her mother narrates her own story to her. The story starts in a cozy early morning time. The grandmother shares a close bond with her granddaughter Preeti. However, both of them exclude the recently widowed mother Aarti. The grandmother, affectionately called Aji by the granddaughter, affectionately called Aji by the granddaughter, takes good care of the child Preeti. For her happiness lies in the beginning of a new day with Preeti. They talk of many things, but then the child goes to school after taking her bath. The grandmother goes down the memory lane, remembers her brother, aunt, two infant sons who never grew up, and even the child Aarti, who has now grown up to be a thin and bitter woman. Aarti wakes up quite late in the morning. The old lady has taken her bath, finished her puja, and has half cooked the lunch when Aarti enters the kitchen. The mother gives her tea, which she drinks hurriedly. On being asked whether she had slept well, she replies that she had not slept well since her husband Madhav died. She does not like this question also. There is no sharing of suffering between the mother and her daughter Aarti. When Aarti's father died, her mother had not informed her about her father's illness. 3 months later, Preeti was born. There was a special bond between Preeti and her grandmother. Aarti used to pass her time in reading and smoking. She used to puff out smoke as if she was emitting bitterness. She neglected her looks and dresses. Since she was a widow, she could not bear married couples talking and laughing. She hated people who were happy. Aarti never shared anything with her mother. She simply hid her sorrow. Her mother found it difficult to assuage her grief. For her, Preeti's affection was a God's gift. Aarti was deeply attached to her father, who had died 7 years ago. She used to spend her time in her dead father's room. One day, when she was smoking and staring at nothing, she picked up her father's photograph, which was dropped by chance on the floor. The glass broke into many pieces. Then the mother said to Aarti that she was just smoke like her married life. She called the granddaughter her beloved charioteer, who gave her strength for the battle, just as Lord Krishna, Arjun's charioteer, gave him strength for the battle in Mahabharata. Then the mother narrated her relationship with her husband, how harsh he was to her. He never cared for her likes and dislikes. She had to serve him according to his whims. She must be available as and when he needed her. By contrast, she found that Madhav and Aarti were a loving couple, and she envied her own daughter. Both of them cried. Aarti left the room, and the mother collapsed in a chair with a blank mind. The granddaughter called for her, and she responded to her call. The old lady and her daughter Aarti have always been distant from each other. The grandmother finds solace in the granddaughter Preeti. She is her beloved charioteer as Lord Krishna was to Arjun's. Krishna drove Arjun's chariot and at the same time gave him inspiration and strength for battle. The same role has been assigned to young Preeti by Shashi Deshpande. The old lady looks after Preeti, dresses her for school, cooks for her, and loves her very deeply. There is a deep bond between her and Preeti. Shashi Deshpande has very artistically broken the deadlock between the mother and the daughter. By revealing the hard facts of her own stifling life, she consoles her in a way. This is how she asks Aarti not to feel jealous of the happily married peoples. The writer has very successfully depicted the embittered mother daughter relationship and has presented a solution also in this story. That's all for the day. In the next video lecture, I will define the major characters, grandmother, his daughter Aarti, and her daughter Preeti. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.